Hello everyone. In today's class, we will be discussing the different methods and techniques of costing which are crucial for determining the cost of production in various industries. Okay, now we will see one by one. In that first one, that is unit costing. It means what? Unit costing, it is a method of costing used when a business produces a single type of product or provides a uniform service. So unit costing, it is a method of costing. When we will use the unit costing? We will use the unit costing when a business produces a single type of product or provides a uniform service. When a business produces a single type of product. What is the meaning of single type of product? It means the product that is identical in quality, size and nature across all units. When a business produces a single type of product, it means the product that is identical in quality, size and nature across all units. It means mass production of goods occurs in a continuous process. It means what? For example, a brick factory. It produces only bricks. Right? Brick factory, it produces only bricks and each brick has the same material composition and dimensions. Brick factory, it produces only bricks, not cement. Okay, it will produce only bricks and each brick has the same material composition and dimensions. So that is the meaning of business produces a single type of product. In these industries, unit costing is useful and or provides a uniform service. Uniform service, it means what? The service that is provided is consistent and does not change significantly for different customers. The service that are provided, they are consistent and they does not change significantly for different customers. That is the meaning of uniform service. Means here we will use the unit costing only when business produces a single type of product that is identical in quality, size and nature across all units and provides a uniform service. Means the services, they are consistent and does not change significantly for different customers. Clear? I hope the meaning of unit costing is clear to you all. Next, see, suitable for industries where identical products are continuously manufactured. So as I said, these unit costing, they are suitable for the industries where identical products, means the products, they are identical in quality, size and nature across all units. So, where identical products are continuously manufactured. In these industries, unit costings, they are suitable. For example, in the case of brick manufacturing, means they will produce only bricks and cement production. In these industries, they will produce only cement, sugar mills, paper mills, steel plants. Okay, brick manufacturing, cement production, sugar mills, paper mills and steel plants. These are some examples of unit costing where only business produces a single type of product or provides a uniform service. In the case of brick manufacturing industries, they will produce only bricks and not cement. And in the case of cement production industries, they will produce only cement. Okay, in this case, the unit costing in these industries, unit costing is suitable. Clear? Now we will see the formula for unit costing. How we will calculate the cost per unit in unit costing. First, what we have to do? We have to calculate the total cost, means all the materials, labor or expenses. And after that, we need to divide it by total units produced. Total units produced. Then we will arrive the cost per unit. And here I will take one example. Here let's assume a cement manufacturing company, it produces 10,000 bags of cement in a month. 10,000 bags of cement in a month, means the total units produced that is in a month, that is 10,000 bags of cement. See, it is a cement manufacturing industry, means they will produce only cement, means this is the case of unit costing. In unit costing, that suitable only when a business produces a single type of product and or provides a uniform service. Single type of product means they are identical in nature. Okay, now see the problem. Here the total costs incurred are as follows. Their first one is direct material cost rupees 5 lakh. Direct labor cost rupees 2 lakh. Factory overhead rupees 1,50,000 and administration and selling expenses that is rupees 50,000. Now we will solve the problem. First, what is the first step? Solution. First step is calculation of total cost. Calculation of total cost, that is, see, direct material cost 1,50,000, 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 9 lakh, that is rupees 9 lakh. You have to write down here clearly: direct material cost 5 lakh, direct labor cost 2 lakh, factory overheads rupees 1,50,000 and administration and selling expenses that is rupees 50,000. Okay, calculation of total cost that is rupees 9 lakh. Now step second, that is calculation of cost per unit. Cost per unit. What is the formula? Total cost divided by, total cost divided by total units produced. Total units produced. Here total cost that is rupees 9 lakh. And total units produced that is rupees 10,000 bags of cement in a month, that is 10,000 units produced in a month. It means what? That is rupees 90 per bag of cement. Per bag of cement. So cost per unit, that is cost per bag of cement, that is rupees 90. Cost per bag of cement is rupees 90. So here this helps the company in pricing decisions and cost control and profitability analysis. Clear? So this is about unit costing. Okay, so here unit costing that is suitable for the industries where business produces a single type of product that is identical in nature and provides uniform service. Means the services that are provided, they are consistent and does not change significantly for different customers. So for those industries only unit costing is suitable. Clear? Now we will move to the next method, that is job costing. Okay, that is job costing. Here, see, job costing, first we will see the meaning. It is a method of costing used when production is based on specific orders. It is a method of costing used when production is based on specific orders. Based on specific orders, it means what? See, in job costing, production starts only after a customer places an order. In job costing, so each order is unique and that is treated as an individual job. Each order in job costing, we have to treat it as an individual job with cost tracked separately. Means for that each individual job, we need to track the cost separately. So job costing, it is applicable when production that is based on specific orders. So it is a method of costing used when production is based on specific orders. So here each job, see here, it is treated as a separate unit as I said, and costs are accumulated individually for each job. Okay, means each order that is unique and treated it as an individual job with cost tracked separately. Clear? And this method commonly used in industries where products or services are custom made rather than mass produced. It means what? So, job costing that is suitable to the industries where products or services are custom made rather than mass produced. It means that products or services, they are specifically designed and tailored for individual customers instead of being manufactured in large quantities for a general market. So this is applicable only for the individual customers. Clear? So this job costing that is used in construction or in printing or in interior design, shipbuilding and machine manufacturing. Here I will explain this job costing through one example. So a printing company. Imagine a printing company. Printing company. It receives an order to print. It receives an order to print 500 wedding invitations. 500 wedding invitations with a specific design. Here see, job costing, it is a method of costing used when production is based on specific order. So here printing company, they receives an order to print 500 wedding invitations with a specific design. Clear? Now the company, what they will do? Company, they will track the cost of paper. Company, they have to track the cost of paper, ink, labor, machine time separately. Machine time separately. They have to track these expenses or these costs separately for this order. First, printing company, they receives an order to print 500 wedding invitations with a specific design. Now, the company, they will track the cost of paper, ink, labor and machine time separately for this order, because here the printing company, it will treat each order as an individual job with cost tracked separately. Clear? See here in job costing, each job that is treated as separate unit and costs are accumulated individually for each job. Okay, this is job costing. Company, they has to track the cost of paper, ink, labor and machine time separately. Okay, I hope this job costing is clear to you all. Okay, so unit cost, it means what? Unit costing, it means it is suitable for the industries where a business produces a single type of product, they are identical in nature or provides uniform service. And job costing, it means what? This is a method of costing used when production is based on specific orders. And here each job that is treated as a separate unit and we need to calculate the cost separately. We need to calculate the cost separately. Clear? I hope these two methods, that is unit costing and job costing, is clear to you all. And remaining methods and techniques I will continue in the next class. Okay, if you have any doubts, please leave a comment. Thank you.